Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanchi Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel. Stay and connected. We are always dedicated to the presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. Blankets distributed to the needy in Charkhi Dadri. A special blanket distribution program was organized to help the needy under the joint aegis of Charkhi Dadri Red Cross Society and Jorba organization. Charkhi Dadri Sub-Divisional Officer Naveen Kumar and Nagradhish Ashish Sangwan were present as the chief guest in this program. Blankets were distributed among hundreds of needy people during the program. On this occasion, Red Cross Society Secretary Balwant Singh also participated in the program and made the event successful. This initiative was taken by the Red Cross Society and Jorba organization with the aim of helping the weaker sections of the society during the cold season. On this occasion, Sub-Divisional Officer Naveen Kumar said that such efforts play an important role in promoting human values in the society. Nagradhish Ashish Sangwan presents this initiative of Jorba organization and Red Cross and said that this work of social service is inspirational for everyone. All the participants present in this program also appreciated this effort to help the needy and called for organization more such programs in the future. From name Jorba Associates leader Krishan Swami, leader Jagveer Singh, Tata AI Life Branch Manager Sanjeev Sangwan and Manager Lokesh Garg and Vijay Sharma, Sandeep, Shankar, Chandrasekhar, Ajay from Red Cross were also present.
आज ये हरियाणा राज्य शाखा चंडीगढ़ रेड क्रॉस से हमें कंबल वितरण के लिए कंबल प्राप्त हुए थे और साथ में टाटा अलाइव कंपनी है, उन्होंने भी इसमें बहुत हमारा काफ़ी सहयोग किया है। कृष्ण चंद जी है हमारे साथ खड़े हैं और ये पहले भी जो भी हम सामाजिक गतिविधि करते रहते हैं तो टाटा लाइव की तरफ से हमें इनका पूरा सहयोग और समर्थन मिलता रहा है। तो आज इसमें एसडीएम साहब पहुंचे थे और सीटीएम साहब पहुंचे थे, प्रशासन डीसी साहब की तरफ से। तो उन बच्चों को और औरतों को आज जो है कंबल वितरित किए जा रहे हैं। ये लगभग 50 और 55 के करीब लोग हैं, अभी और आ जाएंगे और बांटेंगे।
हमारे रेड क्रॉस सेक्रेटरी के माध्यम से हमने प्लान किया था कि भाई जो भी ज़रूरतमंद लोग हैं उनको ठंड के मौसम में कंबल बांटे जाएँ, तो उसी संदर्भ में आज हमने कुछ ज़रूरतमंद लोगों को कंबल बांटे। प्रशासन की तरफ से हमने रैन बसेरे बनाए हुए हैं, हमने रेड क्रॉस ने अपना एक अलग रैन बसेरा बनाया हुआ है। इसके अतिरिक्त हमारे जो म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिल है उन्होंने भी अपना एक रैन बसेरा बनाया हुआ है और हमने 2 दिन पहले भी रात में औचक निरीक्षण किया था और रैन बसेरे हमारे जो है वो फंक्शनल है। इसके अलावा मैं सभी लोगों से अनुरोध करूँगा और अपील करूँगा कि ठंड में जो धुंध का मौसम होता है उस टाइम बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, तो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी ना हो तो धुंध के मौसम में रोड पर ना निकले। इनको भी मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और मैं इनसे कहूँगा कि जिस स्पिरिट से काम कर रहे हैं इसको कंटिन्यू रखें।
मेरा नाम कृष्णा स्वामी है, जोरबा एसोसिएट मेरी फर्म है जो टाटा एक साथ काम करती है। क्या आज ये गरीबों को कंबल बांटने का था जोरबा एसोसिएट की तरफ से, और हमारे साथ संजीव सांगवान जी हैं टाटा AI लाइफ के ब्रांच मैनेजर, और मेरे मित्र टाटा में हैं अपने बंटी जी। तो हम चाह रहे थे कि दादरी में जो लेबर है या गरीब तबके के लोग हैं उनको अच्छे भाई सर्दी में कहीं दिक्कत ना आए, तो इसलिए कंबल बांट रहे हैं। और अलग अलग एक्टिविटी सामाजिक कार्य में करते रहते हैं हम लोग। हाँ, हमारे साथ शहर के जो प्रशासन अधिकारी हैं, एसडीएम साहब और सीडीएम जी, और रेड क्रॉस की संस्था जो हमारे साथ जुड़ के और जोरबाई सोसाइटी के साथ मिलकर हमने काम किया, और संजय रामफल जी का बड़ा सहयोग है, और बलवान जी जो सेक्रेटरी साहब हैं उनका सबसे बड़ा सहयोग।
Officials should take the problems of Samadhan camp seriously, resolve pending complaints promptly. Regarding the campus being organized on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, all the officers of the district should work seriously and take action on the problem coming in the Samadhan camp and get the pending complaints resolved immediately. A review is also being in Delhi regarding this. On Friday, under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sangwan heard the problems of the people in the Samadhan camp and said that there is a need to speed up the progress of the district. So far, a total of 2,547 complaints have been received in the district, out of which 1,083 have been resolved. Despite this, 572 pending various departments. Complaints have been cancelled or started again. He said that all the officers should take the complaints coming in the Samadhan camp seriously and settle the pending complaints. On the instructions of the Deputy Commissioner, these complaints are also being reviewed daily. He said that maximum number of complaints are pending with the Panchayat department, which is 1,481. Similarly, 74 complaints related to PPP, 61 with Revenue Department, 54 Electricity Department, 49 with Public Health Department and 10 with Education Department are pending. Apart from this, under complaints are also pending with various departments. Last date for admission in class 6 and 9 in Sainik School extended till 23rd January. The last date for admission in class 6 and class 9 for the year 2025-2026 in Sainik School through All India Sainik School Entrance Examination AISSEE 2025 has been extended. Eligible students can now apply online till 23rd January on the website exams.ta.ac.in/AISSEE. After applying, the prescribed fee can be paid till 24th January. Apart from this, there will be time till 26th January for any kind of correction in the online application form. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that for admission in class 6, the date of birth of the student should be between 1st April 2013 and 31st March 2015. Both dates are valid. And for admission in class 9, the date of birth of the student should be between 1st April 2010 and 31st March 2012. Both dates are valid. Admissions in class 6th and 9th will be done on estimated seats, which can be increased and decreased at any time. He told that 67% seats are reserved from the children of Haryana and 33% seats are reserved for the understatus. He told that for admission in class 6, 125 questions will be asked from subjects like mathematics, general knowledge, science and social studies, language and intelligence. This exam will be of total 300 marks and its duration will be 150 minutes. Similarly, for admission in class 9th, 150 questions will be asked from subjects like mathematics, English, intelligence, general science and social studies. This exam will be of total 400 marks and its duration will be 180 minutes. This exam will be in the form of multiple choice questions on an OMR sheet. Thank you for tuning into our news today. We truly appreciate your support for our channel and it means a lot to us. For those of you who have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our updates. Stay connected with us for all the latest news and keep supporting our journey. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal.